We expect prompt restitution before we commit to the next democracy cap. House of Folk demands from Parliament. Ubekaya last year democracy cap on House in Nigeria. Parliament promises some dombeko abrucho one for House anko. And the Parliament has some body members must first come answer. Munye bibi and compensate for the previous disappointment, you know. Yes, the Buddha to enemy, won't forget it. Indeed. Tama has for ASO Parliament minimum din dia or more edge. We were cowards. We lack backbone. We were weak to act as management. Lawyer Sarfo Duku confesses. Tama uni pakasa. I say omo hono na omo nye mema. No me koso with me carry omo hwesa na omo je basa jigu ya ama Kotoko e no ma kodi boni na o say the hard dwen cry last match no na Bible allegation ya beni nam ho ne ade omo ntimi anya ho hwe na ugu ye.
I don't like doing this, but mami musu asemba. Mem fa obrofu ya okan to be asemwa sa asemo kan. Me do I assume that quotations are the man on the kai? Am I allowed to assume that?
Quotation
asema oku tu yi.
De me kan no.
Obema me kwan se me nyusu no as asemo kan na me mfa nka masem.
Ne nsema okan no. Na ya fa bi na ye kan.
Okay, nti de wa fa yi. Ye mfa ne se. Ansema okan ya de ohwe a ofa e beboa no wa fa.
Na ya fa no.
De okan ya which ma repeat ama mahwe.
De me repeat say na me.
Say de okan ye. Okay, because me nti ase no. Ene de wo de ba yi e bo abira. Me nti ase o de wa brofo akan no. Ene won kire mu no a wo de maaye no. Emfa
sir. For instance, or you use the word we were not men enough.
Yen limit you to what you have said.
Okay.
Said the bear you're confused. We wait my repeat the all kinds. I'm sure you write them down.
We were cowards. We lacked backbone. We were weak to act. Lawyer Sarfo Duku confesses.
Okay. In order said the bear mean quiet bias, no. Zach, asama hariti ekaye. Alaji kwaba do fiada say na uche so ya.
Oh yes. Friday day so addressing the name. Friday
but the men patronize me just say asamo kan me so Martin say they can we me kan but him say Mazakarim but tiase say we were cowards, we lack backbone.
He's virtually running down on one kasa like say no based on that can say now
the won't hear the because of the base with the league.
I interview Tintin.
Oh yes, Wakasapa. Oh yeah, better way.
Sam says part no.
Because my understanding is so be say na ye ni akukudru and then we did not have the requisite backbone. It just say the ansana binya akukudru taking some decisions no. Also what the Emma will take his decisions. Ni ade gina ye chi. So I think that is the text, the context. Asema o kan.
Even says
the name my yen to see am fan say ye tie adwuma yi mu. So betima take decision na ye bolder. This one so decision na we take no. Who be asemba we gina wachi. Wachi okutupa na wachi o second. Menti asense no omu ni bi.
No,
they did not have that. O kan bro bu o chire mu no o yia o frim. Ona make say ho ne hia on asem no pa ne ho. The amoma nya akukodro no ne backbone no
Say backbone.
Who am fan count?
We can backbone.
No. Who can't
We lack backbone.
That's why I went back. I'm got to say to bro for now. Okay, no tree na the buy na the crop.
Okay.
Bro for no the okay backbone. But tree no the we backbone.
Okay, Matthias. What are Matthias?
So
Matthias.
Na ye ni ade mayen awoden. I bet him they are taking some decisions.
Na no ye den.
And there's Ibusano.
No, so on my examples.
This is Ibusano.
On my examples.
Me the minim. This is Ibusano.
Give examples.
Okay. To do our voice in the bar now.
Yeah, the voice is in the bar.
Yeah.
The voice is in the bar. You know,
Madam Ndiamko anymore.
Kotoko to form a subcommittee, and I am to chair it. Alhaji Lamin reveals.
Subcommittee on what?
I say on be liaison between the technical team and the board.
And also one voice.
And Madam
the technical team and the board.
The
technical team and the board beam. Obi be a link between the technical team and the board.
Liz.
So there will be the link.
Maybe.
So we lazy a link. And you know, they say men's zone and grow for no. Because much will be and do board for no.
Familiarity affected us. We should have taken some bold decisions. We were not men enough. We were cowards, lack backbone. There was no discipline in the team. I have advocated for a foreign coach for Kotoko. We allowed Zito to bring his boys, and it affected us. Lawyer Sarfo Duku confesses.
We cannot talk about the playing body without bringing in the technical handlers.
Okay.
Because I thought that their tactics might have not worked. Either the players did not listen to them, or they couldn't get their things right. Talk about the playing body without bringing in the technical handlers.
Okay.
Because I thought that their tactics might have not worked. Either the players did not listen to them, or they couldn't get their things right. But to the extent that things didn't work, you cannot put the blame squarely on the players. Even management also had a part to play. We also didn't recruit the best for the grand jams of technical and the playing body. I think you have to admit.
And Lawyer Sarfo Duku and watu na numutu ewo hono no. The case has lasted for more than 2 years. Finally, House paid the money last Wednesday, and justice has won. I will come back to Ghana because I made many friends. It was unnecessary to delay payment. Renny Hendrik hit hard on the House of Folk.
That's true. They transferred the money a few days ago on last Wednesday. So it was a long and winding road. This case has lasted for more than 2 years. Unnecessary, in my opinion, because of the FIFA decision was crystal clear 2 years ago. Finally, justice has won. I hope one day I will return to Ghana because I love your beautiful country. I made many friends during 2 working periods in Ghana.
And Renny Hendrik also beba. Obesa wa be edwuma ha. Na menim se Kotoko na this time around obeba dia. Oba Ghana anya edwuma no be.
Okay, they say one gas obey
Also be samba Ghana. Tino de obeba. No one can take me out of Kotoko. The board consults me every time. The board will form a subcommittee. We will liaise between the board and the team. Alhaji Lamin.
Current board equal almost every day they communicate. Challenges there will be on the time I like prime and fast say board no say so we know aging more. We change to be a bit on committee subcommittee because it's a committee in there. Say my committee in there. Maybe I'll be part of the committee. Subcommittee only have people like us to join part of the committee. Now liaison between Omone and that team until holiday draw me consider.
No, ana supporters meeting or aye enkran. And Alhaji Lamin esudi we kotu dwa e wo hono mo. House demand prompt restitution of 200,000 Ghana cedis from Parliament for non-fulfillment of their promise after the Democracy Cup against Great Olympics. In Titama, then I will be no amount of house no for compensation. Say intense training ongoing at Asem Park, New AstroTurf. Team divided into 3: Hamza team, Diego Parole team, and Tinkler team. Players struggling to grasp Tinkler words. His English language is a problem for them, and the players are suffering. Tama, anope yako asimho. Some of the players in the break. Until obi kura o gina ho say adabi players nyɛ sɛ nyɛ no mo nya ade na me sɛ tinka ka bɔfo na ana mo ntini ye nto mo ntimi ɛnyɛ de
na go school players o mo nyoma go school
on sɛ ɛnyɛ sɛ mo minka so mo go school ta na o mo nti on sɛ ne English no o they are found difficult to grasp
and atwa mo ball mu o mo free football language Brazil for no hankrom be o mo ntewi o so we dey ba for
some players now I appreciate for no say omoya na kokiri na no o ma pe teachers
bebre o mo nya language no ba
o mo sua de o mo yiro mo sua de pa obo ho no onya ope obi no aboa no with the language no because ya na
the same nti na Hamza o ho no
nti no obi kura ka senka Hamza e ben no ba won so o che team no miensa Hamza de ba akon no de ba akon na
no bia won baby
de ba akon no mo nyina obi ade
that's it
Tama ochina Kotoko against Ebony na beba so so full alignment park nti ho na match me ba so yeah
okay na nkran do mo nyango
nkran ye Monday
on the 10th
nti kosi ada no obi abeboa
no do mo ye wa head ya se na na make na o se enye preseason
Tama man ka se enye preseason o me se preseason no ya chemo mienu first one ni
enu ye preseason bia
we nu ye kwesa preseason
but
at least beating Malawi will ensure they will World Cup. I don't know how you pay. So 20 years when more time.
Yeah, just for yeah, missing the last how many World Cups, man. You qualify chapa. So now they are just one win away from qualifying to the Women's World Cup. Now, Jotoko, I think so. The game that I watch, they played very well, control the game, over 60% of the possession, making 17 shots, 9 on target. They were the best team, just that.
Wins.
Yes, chances on no more say no.
No, almost just like Nigeria.
Yeah,
I know Nigeria was similar story.
Yeah, almost say chances too much. They are not.
And go for pussy.
They are not forcing in terms of chances now. When you know, improve. Ometimi aye de ometimi aye. Metie Sarfo Duku nsem no mzoto. Me more different position kakra
about
the understanding of nsema no all kan no.
Okay, lawyer. Okay.
Unse true say they didn't have a lot of powers to take decisions via omo ape. Into no send no more structure net here no. You have to follow me kwa. Okay, back send me. Since sometimes they want to take decisions be, but when they pay media from and go and cancel more, your part. And it is true. Say how the system was, the IMC was formed. People being certain individual had.
Okay, so the question: do you have to explain this to? Do you have to? I was all teaching.
Oh, yeah. For Yana, you could be questions. I'm sure say sort you on okay, any politics.
Okay.
Then a sports journalist met him.
And it's on the news.
And you know, yes, and he was asked a question.
What about? I mean, they say, let's support those who are here.
I'm not saying one can anything bad. He didn't say anything that look like bad. Who say be affected this management and I said this board, that is where we'll take Sarfo Duku on. But some okay, already he was praising them, said the new format and I said the new system it's helping them taking decisions. John Tahinidia, so John Tahinidia because oh, there be no, I don't want to believe so. Yes, but maybe I don't want to believe this. At least he's pressing them. Say, nyama nurse nko moye in admitting some crampo no they failed just that
they failed because they were not that independent.
But actually giving these people the independence, they are working and Obama say the way I work on if things continue like this let's see but at this stage in some one kasa
Zuchim say be our bois, and yes, what the other.
Oh, they're going to do command to you. At least, or trust
one can come across.
Oh, but
some of the doors, Tinkle and Yabre. So her first match, no boy in the NHS. Opinion says he for
having a boy bonny,
a boy bonny.
A bonny's only bow.
And he said these matches, the state of squad now building. Na Zutu on set the way near Melcono. The way near Melcono. As they say, John Twane, I had the Ama players Nibio. Rebecca, I think say we will all have to come to a stage where we will accept every decision via Mutu Tinklane Menzu Modebeba. Bibi Druno. We have no other choice than to accept any decision because as a players, no. To cover 3 weeks now when me Pugliasi now.
Then also all of a sudden, no it looks like.
So could the 8th. Intense team Nankasane. Boys need to be home and now, coach Yibai Mutu. The decision so the Obianson and one was the best opportunity. And we also have friendly matches. Be a chance. Now do head and Kwalani Yem Penifoni Bia. To name your crowd. Into your chinebe. Don't say we know Kobo Astrotels into a some more chance or the answer training you Astrotels near Adia. Now a Chanani
time
and a part 10
years.
They be free to so full idea training.
5 10
and can you bad idea there because they so a part you need per call 5 net 10 but 5 net 10 keep you meeting me their tone so be and they are my players now but they be at this time no munzo munyabotre so nyame had more chance them too so sao to papa so na eboni fu e be twetwe won dia yes coach need take decision so take but no too
no mo boy am pick be abena for mo pick ba
as of February
eboni ba ko
they will raise the argument about you discuss your more kono you are not looking at more bano it's very very necessary. Because on paper, they say Kotoko lose 12 players that are more contract our man renew. Any more club need to contract 12. Any more boy pra into club need to be register.
But Matisse players be ever.
On say Yambompire. On the currently no the league number 2 and 7th. A cabo somepe.
Exactly a month.
7th September. A weekend of 4th to 7th. But normally on see a Kotoko started. The Kotoko be a first game DBB. Be 7th. Kwesiada. Nti aka bosome. You to bosome no. Aka on 23rd near close to transfer window. Monday 10th.
Omo ya we.
Nti ye ka omo say. Ye hwe omo kono.
Omo ya we.
Ne hwe omo ba.
Asamina Sarfo Duku kan. No kura no waka. IMC I feel on my board by Dutu. Many shows will be stop IMC from taking any decision. And IMC time now to asem kosi wa sankregwa yi abro efri Kotoko no. IMC now they take a decision. They form a committee and no more arrive at that decision. But the truth of the matter is
even with decisions too
no. Na say players are no more no. Na do also change ba ko pe na yi no. But your man within the IMC ni favoritism and a players ni bi anko.
There's a new binama.
Na sem na Sarfo cannot say you be na on case obi si omo kwan yo. O si no more decisions and so mo take. No man timi antiki.
So or can some within
omo say. And to anko ka say ya ma ye kwan am yan take decision.
Okay.
O si na ye de na ye se ye ne antimi anye.
Oh okay.
So what you say na say. De na se ye and ye antimi anye.
But no say backbone. No money backbone.
Backbone asing.
But for so say we had no backbone.
Backbone asing.
Take a backbone. There are no need to.
Say me mante backbone. Because say
but no.
I am see omo pamo players. Abro man pamo no. an incident they see was Asankagwano. Send any abronkwa. And yes, exception, any abronkwa, yes, I didn't know. When Justice Blay, and the Kwame Poku incident this year. Our Muja Blay Quano. But to one mom Muja Blay Quano. No, ma. We shouldn't make it look like they were not taking decisions. They were taking decisions. And within the moment him say, "Hey, your ma MC for be so be our favorite." And you can't young course manenko. That was their issue. It is some na Sarfo Duku kan do too. Asem the mood are clear. Adeba kwam bese meka wa ha say. I think after Ochina match no. Eze Kotoko almost started a new players. Reason is I
think they're in the process now.
Mr. Tuti. Last season, Kotoko best players na one.
Captain
Samba. Ewa. This way. Now okwan him right back Lord Amwa. So we pra.
Okay. Now striker no ko buy no.
Striker then.
Striker no ko Libya buy no.
Amwa. Sa Amwa so ni ho.
Na you were Joe.
Na Joe ho so ko national 23.
Which one the keeper no so?
Na the winger no boy the ono so contract we. Peter Amidu akwa. So say me chance. Into omukra na na so mu nyina ni ho. Omukra na na so mu ye best players no di team ni D8 ni kro mu ni ho. It won't mean rely on more makane so. And one thing among for we said the last 3 seasons of Asante Kotoko omunni more than enter 4th position dawo. A 4th 6 8. 4th 6 8. It I think say ebi anya Ghana standard am to at least omunya be 5 quality players foreigners. So tell me because recently bema wada so far Kotoko even attack the last best 6 years Kotoko best players foreigners from attack. Mbela Infegi Mukwala meboa Samba yikwa ye kana asemi or a foreigner. Nti bia be 5 bia mzo to otimi so mo ba at least some improve team no. Me the Ghana had here based on the standard of players you will say no. Kotoko target na side Uji League. No Uji League ni we akobo Africa. So you cannot sign ABA players now about 80%.
But we outside about also or
and non American say somebody enko ehun. Eti u ba be sign players na mzo to odo mo be league. Now be real league now be pamo 80. Ama naka 20 asa be to 80 abaso odo mo akobo Africa. It that should be the standard. Okay. At least me feel say Ghana hanene players no mo nche da nya de bia sa.
All right, nibo mo da say captain too.
Hamza boy na so mo flow omo mo take participate.
Bajo yengo.
Ona be kasa na ko mo amena.
You can dey sanity.
Because did I hear about what says lawyer Sarfo Duku say they allow Zito to bring his players. Did he say that? Another one worker.
Or see coach. Meanwhile, Zito was the coach.
So those how got my voice some must say the investment cancel. Man, Tini, investment cancel.
Or you say the word coach, but Zito was the coach.
Oh. Then it's a bad statement. Oh yeah. So if indeed he said that, who are the Zito players? Zito players open there here. So me free say management call management ba. In other words, the last management was an IMC. The powers are this board and management one. That management no money. The past management no one and up in cannot down on. No, Anna, no money. There are sometimes if your decision go away, we will bet me take it spot on. Or move struggle. A bit delay, they will do a lot of consultations. In other words, they gave handing over saying, play the brain call. The new management now allow, let me say, the new management. So, okay, the new management allow. So that statement no me freeze below belt. Lawyer is my old man.
Over context. Yes. Let's say, and then maybe we are almost and said they no more pay.
That's why I make us
the general
discussion. But I was such a fresh. I said, "Man, I couldn't IMC."
where a fully fledged board management, our the powers have been given to them to form management, to do whatever on their own powers. Now there were a lot of consultations you have to do. And there be a decision play sakina. You cannot come easy. It goes through some
sir.
As I IMC no.
So
When it is that you are not managing on your own, interacting on somebody's instructions, you need to seek advice, and one of you, because it becomes a whole lot of you. We should allow the sleeping dog lie. Now new management, they are more, then I applaud them on call. But you it will force or be a monster become video.
Wait them poor being.
He
was not referring to more bow.
We don't missing why, but the good things are removed,
or kind of things that they could not do.
And now we're more, but he is praising them. Say now, Mama place because and they've done well. They couldn't do that. They did not have the balls and that stuff. And I don't think it's merit. It's that important.
Say praise you.
What praise you without necessarily going into this. Are there some more idea? Are you not applauding them? Some idea. Are you not applauding them? Somebody think about and others. Are you not applauding them? The kind of training you can go there and we go. Back of you, but yeah, obitiwa. So, the attackers and your sister Abubeni at Tibet, I am to Quantanya. The Kotoko, a track Kotoko person go a chairman, but the basic say, management, Ekona, who can't send me, Namba, can't send me, I know you on one. And you don't next time, Michelle, lawyer, make a chance. I want to know what Hasi can do something to today, running head number Becassa. Ama aye clear na no na ye kase omo banga into my home ye ma kokodu now how to folk ebet me move into a serious business trying to go to the market and see one or two players some person omo de omo abeka ho it's a good thing say how to folk at me yes
okay
na ye man no me do to so nya bo tre
omo qualify
Black Queens no omo qualify me do they have Malawi to conquer to qualify them to the World Cup. A week to the competition, Malawi for number of friendly match. Almost 4. So seminar yes, but I will advise them say one thing is so much to complacency. Because Malawi for in the competition, I so much shows different team.
Very good.
Almost 2 players who anymore.
Chingwa. Chingwa.
Aha. Almost very fit. Come. So. Your team no, that is not that convincing. I say, but if the coach name that confidence to push forward that, and no do anymore now. I say, go.
Okay, they have qualified.
I think the coach will have to improve them. We need to qualify.